This video demonstrates roller replacement of a premium roller. Standard roller replacement is similar. Unlock and open the vent panel. Use a stiff blade putty knife or pick tool to remove the hole plugs. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into each adjustment hole and turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower the panel. Lowering the panel will help facilitate removing the panel from the frame. Take note of the number of turns used to lower the panel. Use of a suction cup is recommended when removing or installing the vent panel. Remove the vent panel by lifting it up into the frame head until the bottom of the panel and the rollers are high enough to clear the frame. Pull the bottom of the panel out toward the interior and the top of the panel from the frame head. Place the panel in a safe location and so the rollers can be easily accessed. Remove the roller attachment screws. Remove the roller. A screwdriver may be used to pry the roller out from the bottom of the panel. Before inserting the roller into the bottom of the panel, make sure the adjustment screw will be aligned with the adjustment hole in the panel. Insert the roller into the cutout in the bottom of the panel. If needed, tap the roller into place until it is fully seated. Insert and tighten the attachment screws. Do not over-tighten. Use care when using a power driver not to strip out the screws. Install the vent panel by lifting it up and positioning the panel top into the frame so the bottom of the panel can clear the frame and the panel rollers can be positioned onto the roller track on the frame sill. Lift the panel to take the weight off the roller whenever adjusting the roller panel height upward. Once the panel is installed into the frame, use a Phillips screwdriver to turn the adjustment screw clockwise to raise the panel. Turn the adjustment screws the same number of turns as used earlier to lower the panel. Reposition the suction cup above the other roller to lift the panel while adjusting. When the panel rollers are adjusted, slide the panel over to the lock jamb to the nearly closed position and check the reveal of the panel to the frame. The reveal should be even from the top to the bottom. If the reveal is not even, adjust the rollers as needed. Close and lock the vent panel. If the door panel will not lock, the rollers can be adjusted. Reinstall the hole plugs.